Okay guys, this is my Roblox game. I made another one. It's called Cat School. I didn't know what to name it. Inside of the school, and in the room, there's a mini horn in the room. There's alarms in every single room. Yeah, in every single room of the school, there's an alarm. There's a smoke detector on every level of Gentex Commander 1. This is Gentex Commander 1 right there. Ow. And now here we have my collection of fire alarms. We have 2 portables. There's 2 portables. Okay, now let's get to testing. Let's pull this alarm over here. Pull the one right here. Lift handle, pull for fire. Gonna be loud. Lift handle. Oh yeah. Okay, let's test the smoke detector. Okay, let's test the smoke detector. Let's test the pull station. Lift handle, pull for fire. Okay, so I made this game. I made a simulation. So if you walk into this fire, you just... Oh no. Oh, ah! Help! This game's really glitchy. Whoop. That's not okay. Goodbye.